You ever just got done with a hard workout or training and you can't get your heart rate to come down, or you want to recover faster between sets so you can really go get after it with the next exercise that you're about to do? What if I told you there's an easy way to get your heart rate to drop quickly and you don't have to do any extra conditioning? Hi, Dr. Zach Couples, physical therapist at Elevate Sports Performance and Healthcare. There's a good research article showing that if you bend forward the way your coaches didn't tell you to recover and breathe nice and slow in this position, your heart rate actually drops faster than if you did the classic hands above the head kind of thing that a lot of our coaches recommended to us. I got an even better move for you. What you're going to do is you're going to get up against the wall. You're going to tuck your hips. Think about pulling your belt buckle to your belly button. And you're going to just let out a nice quarter squat. It doesn't have to be too intense. Once you're here, you're then going to fold over. Bring your chest to your thighs. Go ahead and put your hands on your toes or the ground, doesn't matter. You're going to hold this position and just take some slow breaths. If you got a heart rate monitor on, you should start to see your heart rate drop much quicker than it ever has before. Try that out, see how it goes.